Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import recipes in the MyNeat Diary application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it. And in this page you should just scroll down a little bit, which I already did, and you should press here on Receipt Import. Now you should wait, and you can just press on for example popular receipt websites. You can just press on one of these like BBC Food for example, and you can just select one here and press on import at the bottom of your right corner, and you can just copy and paste the text, or just you can press on receipt editor and enter here the receipt name, the total servings, the receipt weight, gram or oz, the steps, the cooking time, and everything else. And once that is done, you can just press on save at the bottom of your right corner, and you have just imported a receipt like that. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.